We are here in the basement of the Intercontinental Hotel.
Yep. There's a band playing. And we're gonna ride there.
The performance we're here to see is the Otis. Go ahead and press the button.
They don't call it the Skylift anymore.
We all know and love this elevator. All right, with that being said,
Send it up to R.
here we go. Let's watch out the window. AC's working good.
Yep.
Right, sit down to the ballroom. Now look out the side.
The band's playing everywhere.
Here we go. Watch this. And at classic levels. Now we'll go back up one more time and look out the other side.
That door close works.
Door closed button works. I like that. Sounds like there's music playing in here softly.
I know, I hear that.
The elevator has a great controller. Right now we're going to go back down and I'll just kind of pan around. What do you think about this elevator, Jason?
Probably one of my favorites in Kansas City.
Since we're up here, we'll get a nice view of the elevator. I really like this elevator.
Completely original, too.
I have that phone. That phone is worth about 600 bucks.
Wow.
I love these buttons. There's the emergency alarm.
Yeah, innovation fire control on that.
But over here is where they put in the fire panel. I'm wondering if they lowered these panels.
Maybe.
There's your indicator. There's Jason in the back of the cab. As we are, this is what it looks like from the back. It's got like, almost looks like a trolley car window or something. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
There's the swimming pool.
That's a neat looking pool too.
And now we'll watch going down and under. I don't think we did that. Whoa, here we go. There's that cart. Now watch it level.
You can see us in the back.
It's a nice elevator. We're going to send this one over there.
Yeah. We're gonna ride the interior?
I'm going to check around these. These used to be Otis. They've been modded by... Who modded them?
Schindler.
I guess Schindler has the contract here, so... Oh, I almost hit the phone button. Here we go.
Floor R.
It's a good mod.
Oh yeah, it's not bad. These are really nice elevators too.
They are beautiful elevators. There's Jason. I think there's a car panel there at one time, wasn't there?
Yeah, probably.
These used to be the same Otis as the glass elevator. Listen to this.
Floor B.
Nice elevator.
Whoever, Timberfree's fine, but I think Dennis has probably got the thing.
Nice.
We ain't seen him in a long time.
There it goes.
We got a bus
That's
down.
it.